Part 8, exercise 1.2. So the first question is and fill in the blanks. So minus 44 plus dash equal to minus 88. So the number before the equal sign is an LHS. The number after the equal sign is an the RHS. So here whenever the LHS come to the RHS, the sign should be changed. So in given problem the integer is an minus 44. Whenever come to the RHS it will become plus 44. So minus 88 plus 44 equal to. So these two integers are having the different signs. So that means we have to subtract. So 88 minus 44 equal to 44. What is the biggest integer here? 88. So you have to put the negative sign. So the answer is an minus 44. So the second question, dash minus 75 equal to minus 45. So what we have to do? We have to bring the LHS value to the RHS. So when it comes to the RHS, the negative sign will become positive sign. So minus 45 plus 75 equal to. So these two integers are having the different sign. That means we have to subtract. So 75 minus 45 equal to 30. So the biggest number sign is a positive. So the answer is an 30. And then third one, dash minus within a bracket plus 50 equal to minus 80. So here the two operators are nearer together. So we have to change the sign. So minus into plus, the two signs are different. That means we have to put the negative sign. So minus 50. So whenever the negative sign come to the RHS, so minus 50 come to the RHS, it will become plus 50. So minus 80 plus 50 equal to. So these two integers are having the different sign. That means we have to subtract. So 80 minus 50 which is equal to 30. The biggest number is an 80. So the sign is negative. So you have to put it as minus 30. So the answer here is an minus 30. Next question, say true or false. Minus 675 minus within a bracket minus 400 equal to minus 1075. So we have to say whenever we subtract two integer we get the answer as a minus 1075. So we will check whether the condition is true or false. So here we are having the two operators nearer together, so we have to change the sign. So minus into minus, so both are having the same sign. That means we have to put the positive sign. So minus 675 plus 400 equal to. So these two integers are having the different sign. That means we have to subtract. So 675 minus 400 equal to 275. So the biggest number is 675. You have to put the sign as minus 275. So these two are not equal. That means the statement given here is a false. 15 minus minus 18 is the same as 15 plus 18. So we have to check that 15 minus of minus 18 is equal to 15 plus 18. So see here 15, here two operators are nearer together, so we have to change the sign. So minus into minus, both are having the same sign. That means we have to put the positive sign. So 15 plus 15 equal to 15 plus 15. So the given statement is true. Next one, minus 45 minus minus 8 equal to minus 8 minus of minus 45. So that here we have to check whether the two conditions are equal or not. So first we have to change the sign. So here we are having the two operators nearer together. So we change the sign minus into minus. So these two signs are same. That means we have to put the positive sign. So minus 45 plus 8 equal to minus 8. Again we are having the same sign. So we have to change. So minus into minus it will become plus. So minus 8 plus 45. So next these two integers are having the different sign. That means we have to subtract. So 45 minus 8 is 37. What is the biggest number here? 45. So 45 sign is a negative sign. So you have to write it as minus 37. So next one is minus 8 plus 45. So again we are having the two different integers. So with a different sign, that means you have to subtract. So 45 minus 8. So the answer is 37. The biggest number is here 45. The sign of 45 is a positive sign. So you have to write plus 37. So minus 37 is not equal to 37. So the given condition is false. So next problem, find the value of the following. So subdivision 1, minus 3 minus of minus 4 using number line. We have to find the values using the number lines. So first where we have to start? We have to start at 0. So what is the first integer? It is minus 3. So that means we have to move towards the negative direction. So which is the negative direction? This is the negative direction and this one is the positive direction. So how many steps we have to move? We have to move 3 steps. So we will reach here minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. So 3 steps we reached minus 3. So what is the operator used here? The operator is a negative operator. That means you have to look after the negative directions. So what is the second integer? It is minus 4. So minus 4 means you have to move backward. How many steps we have to move backward? 4 steps we have to move backward. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. So we reached the integer 1. So the answer for this one is an 1. And then second problem, 7 minus of minus 3 using number line. So where we have to start? We have to start at 0. So what is the first integer? It is the 7. So we have to move towards the positive direction. How many steps we have to move? We have to move 7 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we reached the integer 7. So after that, what is the operator used here? Negative operator. That means you look towards the negative directions. What is the second integer? It is minus 3. Minus 3 means you have to move backward direction. How many steps we have to move backward directions? 3 steps. So the answer is 1, 2, 3. When I reach the move 3 steps, I reach the integer 10. So the answer here is 10. So next one is 35 minus 64. So here we are having the two operator nearer together. So you have to change the sign. So minus into minus it will become positive. So 35 plus 64. So whenever I add, I get the answer as here 99. So next is problem, minus 200 minus within bracket plus 100. So we are having two operator nearer together. That means we have to change the sign. So minus into plus. Minus into plus is a negative sign because we are having two different signs. That means we have to put the negative sign. So minus 200 minus 100. So both the integers are having the same sign. That means you have to add. So 200 plus 100. The answer is a 300. Which is the biggest number here? Minus 200. So what is the sign of 200? Minus. So you have to write it as minus 300. So next one. Kabilan was having 10 pencils with him. He gave 2 pencils to Senthil and 3 to Karthik. Next day, his father gave him 6 more pencils. From that, he gave 8 to his sister. How many pencils are left with him? So, what is the problem given here? Initially, the Kabilan having how many pencils? 10 pencils. Out of 10 pencils, he gave 2 pencils to Senthil and 3 pencils to Karthik. That means you have to add the pencil given to Karthik and Senthil. That should be subtracted with the total number of pencils that Kabilan have. So 10 minus of, within the bracket you have to add 2 plus 3. Okay, you will find the answer. So what is the next condition? The next day his father gave him 6 more pencils. That means already he have some pencil. You have to add the pencil with the 6. Then from that he gave 8 to his sister. So that means, so again the pencil is reduced. So you have to subtract minus 8. Then you will find the answer. That is the pencil left with the Karthik. Okay. So first off you have to write total pencil Kabilan had equal to how many pencil Kabilan had? Initially he had 10 pencils. So what is the second? He gave 2 pencils to Senthil. So number of pencil given to Senthil equal to 2 and number of pencil given to Karthik equal to 3. So how many pencil now left with the Kabilan? So we have to first you have to write the total number of pencil that Kabilan have, that is 10. So how many pencil given to Senthil? 2 and 3 pencil to Karthik. So the given pencil you have to add. So that means within your bracket you have to add 2 plus 3. So that means you have to subtract the pencil that was given to his friend from the total number of pencil. So 10 minus within your bracket 2 plus 3. So the 2 plus 3, its order of operation is and within your bracket should be executed first. So 2 plus 3 is executed first. So 10 minus 5 equal to. So both the integers are having different sign, that means you have to subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5. So which is the biggest number here? 10 is the biggest number. So biggest number sign is positive. So the value is an plus 5. So what is the next day? Next day happened. Kabilan father gave 6 more pencil to Kabilan. So now the total number of pencil Kabilan had. So already he had 5 pencils. Now his father gave him again 6 pencils. So 5 plus 6 equal to 11 pencils. So total number of pencil Kabilan now had equal to 11. So what Kabilan do? He give 8 pencil to his sister. So you have to subtract 8 to 11. So 11 minus 8 equal to 3. So how many pencils now left with the Kabilan? 3 pencils are left with the Kabilan. So next one, a lift is on the ground floor. If it goes 5 floor down and then moves up to 10 floor from there, then in which floor will the lift be? So what is the given here? A lift is on the ground floor. So when the lift is on the ground floor, so the what is the position of the lift? It is 0 position. Okay. So if it goes 5 floor down, down means you have to put the sign negative sign. Above means you have to put the positive sign. So here it is goes down. How many floors it goes down? 5 floors. So you have to write it as minus 5. What is the next? And then moves up to 10 floor from there. So from the 5th floor, it moves up. Up means you have to put positive sign. So that means plus 10. Okay, what is the question asking here? And then in which floor will the lift be? Where the lift is, we have to find. Okay, so initially the lift will be in the ground floor. So that should be represented as 0. It goes to the 5 floors down. So down means you have to put negative sign. So minus 5. It moves 10 floor up. Up means you have to put the positive sign. So the plus 10. So now we have to find where the lift should be. So you have to add all the values. That means 0 minus 5 plus 10. So 0 minus 5 is a minus 5. See, any number that is subtracted from the 0 is same number, and the biggest number is an 5. So biggest number sign is a negative sign. So you have to put it as minus 5. Then plus 10. Minus 5 plus 10. Both are having the different sign. That means you have to subtract. So 10 minus 5 equal to 5. So where the lift will be now? It will be in the 5th floor. So what is the 6th question? When Kala woke up, her body temperature was 102 degree Fahrenheit. She took medicine for fever. After 2 hours, it was 2 degree Fahrenheit lower. What was her temperature then? So when Kala, what is the question given here? When Kala woke up, the body temperature was 102 degree Fahrenheit. She took for the medicine. So when he measured the temperature of the fever, so she took some medicine. After taking the medicine 2 hours, he found again take the temperature, body temperature, it will be lower for how many Fahrenheit? It is lower for 2 Fahrenheit. Lower means you have to put which sign? Negative sign. Okay. So Kala temperature initially is 102 degree Fahrenheit. After 2 hours, the temperature decreased to 2 degree Fahrenheit. That means below, lower. That means you have to put the negative sign. So minus 2 degree Fahrenheit. What is the final temperature? So 102 minus 2 degree Fahrenheit. So we will get the answer as 100 degree Fahrenheit. What is the 7th question? What number should be added to minus 17 to get minus 19. So we have to find what is the answer. Whenever I add two numbers, I have to get the answer as a minus 19. So one number is given as a minus 17. We have to find the another number. I don't know the another number, so I took it as a. So minus 17 plus a equal to minus 19. So we have to find the value for a. So that is the another number. Okay. So keep a in the left hand side and bring minus 7 to the right hand side. So whenever the negative side in the left hand side, when it come to the RHS, it will become positive sign. So minus 19 plus 17 equal to, so these two integers are having the different sign, that means I have to subtract. So 19 minus 17, so which is equal to 2, which is the biggest number here, 19. So you have to put the biggest number sign, so minus 2. So what is the number here? Minus 2 is the number that should be added to minus 17 to get the minus 19. So next question, 8th one. A student was asked to subtract minus 12 from minus 47. He got minus 30. Is he correct? So what is the given question here? You have to subtract minus 12 from minus 47. You have to check whether the answer is minus 30 or not. Okay. So minus 47 minus of minus 12. So here the two operators are nearer together. So you have to change the sign. So minus into minus, both are the same sign. That means you have to put the positive sign. So minus 47 plus 12 equal to. So these two integers are different sign. That means you have to subtract. So 47 minus 12 is 35. What is the biggest number here? 47. Sign is a negative sign. So you have to write it as minus 35. So what is the problem? What is the answer given? It is given as 30. So the answer is wrong. What he found, that the answer is not correct. So next one is an objective type question. So minus 5 minus of minus 18. So 4 options are given here. Which one is correct? We have to find. So here the two operators are nearer together. That means we have to change the sign. Minus into minus, it will become positive. So minus 5 plus 18. So these two integers are having the different sign. That means we have to subtract. So 18 minus 5 equal to 13. The biggest number is an 18. So we have to write it as a plus 13. So which option is right? The option 3 is the correct one. So next one, 10th one, minus 100 minus 0 plus 100 equal to minus 100 minus 0. So minus 100 minus 0. So whenever I separate, I will get the answer as minus 100. So next minus 100 plus 100. These two are having different sign. That means we have to subtract. So whenever I separate, I get the answer as 0. So the second option is correct.